In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use StockCharts Bollinger Bands. If you've ever looked at a price chart and wondered how to quickly gauge volatility and potential turning points, Bollinger Bands are a great place to start. They wrap around price to show you a middle moving average and two outer bands that expand and contract with market volatility. That simple visual can help you spot quiet periods that may precede breakouts and identify when price is stretching to an extreme. First, open a chart on StockCharts. You can use either ACP or Sharp Charts. Both platforms support Bollinger Bands, but to keep things straightforward, I'll walk through it with Sharp Charts. Once you've opened a chart for any symbol you're interested in, look for the area where you can manage chart settings. In Sharp Charts, you'll find a section labeled Overlays. This is where you add tools that sit directly on your price plot. In the Overlays dropdown, select Bollinger Bands. That tells Sharp Charts to place the bands around your price series. After you've made the selection, apply and update the chart so the changes take effect. You should now see three lines: the middle band, which is a moving average of price, and the upper and lower bands, which typically sit two standard deviations away from that average. When the market is quiet, the bands narrow. When volatility picks up, they widen. Here's how to read what you're seeing. A narrow, pinched look is often called a squeeze, and it signals consolidation. Squeezes don't predict direction, but they do tell you to pay attention for a potential expansion in volatility. When price touches or rides along the upper band, it's showing strength. When it hugs the lower band, it's showing weakness. A close outside a band doesn't automatically mean a reversal is due. Instead, think of it as an extreme that may need confirmation from subsequent price action before you act. If you opened your chart in ACP instead of Sharp Charts, the idea is identical. You're adding Bollinger Bands as an overlay so they plot on top of price. The names and panels may look a little different, but once applied, you'll see the same three-band structure and can interpret it the same way. If the bands don't appear after you select them, make sure you applied your changes and then updated the chart. That quick refresh is what draws the overlay on your screen. That's it. Open a chart, choose Bollinger Bands under Overlays in Sharp Charts, apply, and update. From there, let the bands help you visualize volatility and context around price.